Let's solve for x here. So we have 16 raised to the power of 3x. So now let us see how we can make this one to the base of 2. That means 16 corporation as 2 raised to the power 4. And everything raised to the power of 3x plus log to base 2 of 1 over 4. You can write this one as 1 to the power of 2 minus 2, because 1 over 4 is like 1 to the power of 2 square. Yes, everything will be equals to 6. Let's continue. This one now, you can open the bracket, you have 2 to the power of 12x minus this power will multiply the log minus 2 log 2 to base 2 equals to 6. So 2 raised to the power 12x minus 2 times 1, because this number and the base are equal. So this one, everything here will be 1 equals to 8. So it's becoming narrower and interesting. So 2 raised to the power 12x will be equals to 6. This one is 6. The answer is my mind. 6 plus 2 will give for 2 raised to the power 12x will be equals to 8. So 2 raised to the power 12x will be equals to 8. This 8 you can write it as 2 raised to the power 3. 2 raised to the power 3. You see the base that is equal, so they cancel out. What you have here will be 12x will be equal to 3. And leave for x, so divide both by 12. So x will be equals to 3 over 12. So x will be equals to 3 here, 1, 3 here, 4, 1 over 4. And that is the final answer. You can verify it by putting 1 over 4 here and solve. Of course, you're going to get 6. Thank you for being here.